Che video bi ebe trendy e social media so a na ni na e de fama Linda ene ne mba say dodo na nimba kwa e friend of say Felicia ho a woche mache say o say Felicia ni nuanu ma no eye ashawo prostitution na we anama Linda e ba life am ene de say me de obeka bi ene enua so de obru bi na de hu ni so ni na ebe mu na ene e be kan say audio fufu about outer you can say free the camp of Linda aso ya woche mache say e kam yakoye say o life no be nkofo e kasa ho ye hu say if shashne ga krasa be reaction e wo ho na Linda echi mache da audio na say e trend no oche audio no ma Nemba no are free to have sex with everybody they wish to, and as they wish to have sex with. Na impenifo binumu, and as it's about life no besua, no interest o sun keke. Linda edensem etudwa. Yebeko ne akutie ede abana so ameka o sem. Cønfirms Foundation and our sales na de dwumedi ebesom e attention TV so number and 0548302985 yanko ne nkutie Linda embra.
Wo mana ya dai. Acha efe. Acha dampa so na ehome. Me mai twei. Me donya me sa me kokotie wukura hu ebesole. Me mai twe na me ma me pani kura me ro me wukura na me ye. Na ya di me mana ya dai. Anya me ma ye di wo mo. Anya me ma so mo be kan na me so. Na me kire mo say me no me wa falefo me osurofo se me ya de no me bra me di na chidi na nutum sa adwoa 18 monka mo ma me everyone fe o sra so ebesi wa ha say eno she 25 pound 20 asane 25 pound 25 years everyone beti ba wutiri so nko ani 60 years mo kra mo tete mo fie chum se enya mo na ye ni mo se enya mo na ye ni mo na mo fa mo don ko mi wadi mi o enu wadi mi o enu wadi mi o na enkuna we di wo mo na ya den enkuna we mu ye
hey mame abusia se de ne app no so de adru no Linda no we ya ma Linda o TikTok abusia mechia obibiara mema obibiara akwaba back to my channel Tvgh legacy circles back but no size in a small little corner abusia for Linda and semia ekwoso eye one na ya sensem ebusia se de utim sensem no drew different dimension ekoba na sen Linda abeti ne suo bi e social media so ebi NC da ene de omo betu ne fo etu ne fo me obefa ne ono fa so obesa atoa ne beef so de ene mama ne tua one onia no beto ne beef so ene se eye afia so asnega epie mu ene mama nim se punch ne de ebani na ode hate Linda se hene ha ene bre asemu edi wo ene o se ne ma no ai Felicia na the other lady no sexy then journalist so yebegbele omokra yengbele maame na ekasasa no mumye ngusu ni enti o se adwuma eda na efini ra no mumye enti
wo mana ya dai acha efe acha dampa so na ehome me mai twei me donya me sa me kokotie wukura hu ebesole me mai twe na me ma me pani kura me ro me wukura na me ye
Abushami uncle, some jokes are very expensive here. Mama can't some kakra. Oh man, be now you find it okay, Linda. But I think that it's going too far now. We have to be very careful because when it comes to private conversations, say you're coming public, you know, it's weird, isn't it? I mean, I don't know how she find it, but maybe me wanna say. I wish your mama yemfa dignity. If it be dignity, you maintain that dignity, no. Any privacy, no, it's very, very important. Because I think said now, no, I don't know if this woman is trying to. I don't want to use the word sell, but say push me sell some infant shahonomo. I wish your mummy gusuntie. Ebia you make your own decision by listening to her.
Prenta kit ni ade ma obi ba broche dia prenta kit ayesan se prenta kit ene e twa mo obi ba broche prenta kit ga ayesan prenta kit ayesan o prenta kit ayesan afo papa afo prenta kit ayesan say the prank is there don't collab with your prank ticket you saying I'm phone penny for credit ni e di uma eni e di uma na ma o cartoon na ma o cartoon me ma o cartoon na mpa me ma o cartoon
Linda nyabotre sabi o mai say omo adru omo mpanyin mfie so until I don't think say all these private matters no advice of madren no busia e bia na mbe ya adwen wa e bi so na menya adwen but said this woman Linda she's going too far when it comes to her children. And obi be count so say you want to protect your children, it's best for you to keep silence and rather than making matters worse because you are escalating matters now. Because I think say she feel like or feeling good.
Sa cartoon sumienu no amani hu no na ne nam ho no cartoon and na cartoon say omo ya cartoon ti de wo bia ho ya cartoon ma mo esan say omo ya cartoon ti de wo bia ho ya mo say cartoon esan say omo ya cartoon ti wo bia bibi o tattoo mo fe cartoon no tattoo na ya di mi ma na ya dai anya me ma ya di wo mo enya me ma so mo be kan ti na me sun na me kire mo say Mi별e, me wa falefo, me wo sorofo. Se me yade no me bra, me di na chidi na nutum sa adwa.
About time, yes sir. Man can some way wa bonting. Be na ne boyfriend be no or you be a fit very decent home. Now who say mama able social media so can some way they find a girlfriend home na sebi o timi identify sebi na kosu kuma ni shape the way sit here the baby cry na obi cry person or worry obano. But as a mother, if you come out saying all these and some person do your comedy, but some jokes are kind of expensive here. Until Linda, you have to start thinking very deeply when it comes to children. Omokana so betting they control yourself with children. Say expose on just your own children. It's getting worse. You have to stop now. It's enough. Mama Kanasa. It's enough. Only if you want to protect your children's dignity. Only if. I know say they are still young, they are your children no matter what. But protecting your children's dignity doesn't necessarily makes you come out to fight for them by exposing them. Because now you are exposing your kids.
50. Fama me brani en show mani ni. Ye di mi ma na ye den. Ye di mi ma na ye den. Oba unyina ibetiu. So
Hey, about time men kasasa mame.
Linda ne anagete ede baye me aha anam demo ebesi attention TV so na oni me edin share subscribe to our YouTube channel, follow on Facebook, like, comment and also share. Yema monu sha monity. Yeah, that's